Hello everyone. We will proceed with our 15th chapter, Law and Justice, a case study. Today we will discuss about bail, bail as a right of the accused, role of the public prosecutor, fair trial, the first hearing and the lawyer. We will start with bail. Since Ravi's case is a criminal case, after being charge sheeted, Ravi was put up in lockup. In criminal cases, an accused is kept in jail, but this is not a punishment. This is only to help in the process of investigation as well as to prevent him from tampering with the evidences or threatening the witnesses, etc. After some days in judicial custody, his family appeared in the court to get a bail for him. Now, if you remember Ravi and Samba's case, Ravi has sold property to Samba and to someone else also, and then when Samba went and asked money, then Ravi bet Samba, and Samba got multiple injuries. Later on, a case was filed against Ravi in the police station. This story is given on page number 174. Kindly go through it again. Now, in this case, because Ravi has done a crime, there was a criminal case against him and he was put up in the lockup. Now, in criminal cases, the accused is kept in jail, but this is not the punishment. This is just help in the process of investigation so that he can be prevented from tampering with the evidences. That is, he should not spoil the evidences or threatening the witnesses. Now, after some days, family of Ravi appeared in the court and they wanted to get bail for him. A person who is accused with serious crimes like murder, bribery, dacoit, etc. may not get a bail. To get bail, certain sureties are to be given in the court. These sureties can be property or a person who will stand as guarantee or bond. The bond is a promise that offender will appear before the court whenever asked for. The judge in the court can decide whether to give bail or refuse it. Now, a person who has done some crime like murder, bribery or dacoity may not get bail, but certain surety if he gives. Surety means some kind of property or a person who can give guarantee against the accused, or they have to sign a bond where whenever the court asks the accused to come to court, the court should the accused should appear in the court, and it is the judge who will decide whether to give bail or not to give bail to the person. Bail as right of the accused. It will be granted basis on the gravity of the offense, possibility of threat to the witness. At the same time, the court will decide if the accused is released, whether there is any harm to the society, witness or complainant. In bailable offences, only SHO can give bail. In case of non-bailable offences, the accused have to move bail petition before the appropriate court. Now, bail is right of the every accused. Now, bail depends upon the gravity of the offence. That is, how much severe crime the person have done. And if the accused is released, whether he will harm the society again or not, or harm the witness or complainant. Now, in bailable offences, only SHO can give the bail. If you remember full form of SHO, it is Station House Officer. Only he can give the bail. And in case of non-bailable offences, then the accused have to move the petition to the appropriate court, or to the court, through court they have to get the bail. In a court, Ravi or Samba's case is argued by lawyers. Ravi will have to find his own lawyer, but Samba will get public prosecutor or government lawyer. Legal procedures and complicated and special knowledge is needed to discuss them. Now these lawyers, they have some special knowledge to discuss in the case. Now Ravi and Samba both will have to get their lawyers, but here Ravi will have to find his own lawyer. Samba will get public prosecutor. Public prosecutor means a person from the government, or the lawyer from appointed by the government will fight the case in favor of Samba. Role of public prosecutor. A criminal offence is registered as a public wrong. This means that the crime is committed not only against the victims but against the society as a whole. In court, it is the public prosecutor who represents the interests of the government. The role of the prosecutor begins after the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. The prosecutor has no role to play in the investigation. She must conduct the prosecution on behalf of the government. As an officer of the court, it is his or her duty to act impartially and present the full and material facts, witness and evidence before the court to enable the court to decide the case. Now, public prosecutor, it is any criminal offence is registered if any harm is done to the public. Now here the person should not harm the society as a whole. Now in court, public prosecutor represents the interest of the government. Role of the public prosecutor begins after the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. Now public prosecutor does not have to do anything with the investigation. Now he or she should conduct the prosecution on behalf of the government. As an officer of the court, he or she should act impartially and present full and material facts, witness and evidence before the court to enable the court to decide the case. Fair trial. Samba's and Ravi's case was to be heard in the court of the judicial magistrate. Lawyers in black robes, people facing trial and many other people who had come to attend the hearing of the cases are present in and around the court. The rule of law says that everyone is equal before the law. Before deciding if someone is guilty, he or she will be allowed to a fair and impartial public hearing. Criminal prosecution starts with presumption of innocence, and the guilty must be proved beyond reasonable doubt. The judge did not jump to the conclusion that Ravi was criminal just because Samba was injured. It is to be proved that the injuries were made by Ravi. Now here Ravi and Samba's case, it was to be heard in judicial magistrate. Lawyers, you must have seen them wearing black robes. And many people who face the trial and others who come and attend the hearing of the court, they are present in and around the court. Now, the law says that all are equal before the law. Now, before deciding someone guilty, he or she should be allowed to have fair and impartial hearing. Now, criminal prosecution, it starts with the presumption of innocence. That is, when these cases start, they believe that the person is not accused. He is innocent. In Ravi and Samba's case, we all know that Ravi bet Samba, but this will not decide that Ravi is criminal. It has to be proved that the injuries caused to Samba were done by Ravi only. The first hearing and the lawyer. Samba and his son Kranti Ravi and his SI were all present in the Judicial Magistrate Court. Ravi had engaged a lawyer. Public prosecutor presented the case on behalf of the government. After a long wait, Ravi and Samba were called for the hearing. This was the first hearing of this case before the judicial magistrate. The SI had given the copy of FIR and the police report to Ravi's lawyer so that he could know the exact charges leveled against his client. Now, Ravi and Samba, they were present in the court along with the other people also. Public prosecutor will present the case on behalf of the government, and they were waiting for a long time before their turn came for the hearing. Now, the sub-inspector has given copy of FIR and the police report to Ravi's lawyer so that the charges levied on the Ravi can be clear to the lawyer. From these reports, Ravi's lawyer could also know the kind of evidence that the police has collected against Ravi. All this information would enable him to prepare a defense for Ravi, who was the accused in the case. In the first hearing, the judicial magistrate accused Ravi of inflicting grievous injuries to Samba. This offense, if proved, would entitle imprisonment for 4 years. Ravi did not accept the charges, so the magistrate ordered a second hearing of the case after 15 days. Now, in this case, Ravi's lawyer was having all the evidences which police has collected against Ravi. Now, this information enabled him to prepare defense for Ravi. And in first hearing, when magistrate heard the case, because Ravi has caused severe injuries to Samba, the punishment was imprisonment of 4 years, but Ravi did not accept the charges. So magistrate gave another date after 15 days. So second hearing will be after 15 days. Here you can see a picture where the lawyers, the people and the judges there. Today we have discussed about bail as right of the accused, role of the public prosecutor, fair trial, the first hearing and the lawyer. For homework, first question, what is bail? Second, describe the role of the public prosecutor. Third, explain fair trial. Thank you.